Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Welcome to Awesome Tech. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can change our WordPress default theme. First, you have to know that theme is the design of your website that people can see by visiting your website. This is our website by default Outlook. We need to change this Outlook as we want. To do this process, you need to change your theme or you can customize your theme. We know that there are so many WordPress theme are available in online, in paid or in free. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can change our WordPress theme in free and in paid. That means the theme will be free of cost and the theme is in paid. If you use free theme, then your website outlook will be not good, but you can continue with those themes. If you buy paid themes, then your website outlook will get professional outlook. To do this process, first we need to log in your WordPress dashboard. I'm already in my dashboard. Then you need to click on the appearance, then click on the themes. After that, you can see here the by default theme. You can click on the add button. Now you can see here there are so many themes are available here. You can select your theme or you can filter popular themes by clicking on the popular button. I'm clicking here to check out the popular theme. I mean which theme are now popular in WordPress platform for free, and you can check out the latest theme also by clicking on the latest button. Or if you have any favorite theme then and you have already selected them, then you can check out by clicking on the favorite button, or you can go the advanced filtering system to search free themes by clicking on feature filter. Just click on there. I'm clicking here. Now you can filter or now you can search the free themes in advance by your category, I mean your website category. So if your website in news, I mean your website topics is news, then you can click on the news button, select the news, and now you can select the layout also. So I'm select the news, then need to click on the apply button. Okay, here is so many themes are available in the news category. I'm clicking on the news book. This theme is good for news and ad publishing platforms, I mean the bloggers. If you are a blogger, then you can choose this theme. This theme is maybe fully free. I'm clicking on the install button. Okay, it's installing. After completing the installation, you need to click on the active button. So our theme is successfully activated. Now we can reload our website to check out the previous theme has been changed. This is the way to install free themes. Now we are going to learn how we can install our paid themes. Suppose if you buy a theme from themeforest.net and you want to install that theme in your website, simply click on the add button and now click on the upload theme. Now we need to click on the choose file. This is our requested theme what we want to install. This is the newspaper 10. You may know that this theme is much more popular for WordPress, and our client website will be run in blogging platform. So we selected this theme, then we need to click on the open. Now we need to click on the install now button. The theme has been successfully uploaded. Now we need to click on the active button. Now we can delete our website to check the, so our website theme has been changed. So this is the process to install the theme. Now we need to customize our paid theme. So I hope this video is useful for you. If you have any question about this video, then please leave your question in our comment section. If you are new in our channel, then please subscribe us and share this video with your friends and family who really interested in WordPress platform and who really beginner in WordPress. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video with new topics. Till then, take care. Bye bye.